The dawn of a new day brings the promise of progress. Here at Process Engineering World, we are
Had Tung Lang.
Keep it coming. Pull up a little closer. Hold it right there.
The flow rate seems stable at 200 cubic meters per hour.
Good. We are maintaining optimal clarity levels before it hits the evaporators.
The addition of lime initiates the flocculation process, causing impurities to coagulate and settle.
Heating the juice is a critical activation step. Rapid boiling helps coagulate impurities before they are settled out. The raw juice is heated, causing impurities to coagulate and form a thick layer of scum, which can then be easily removed. Here in the clarifier, the heated match undergoes clarification. This slow rotation subsides. As the boiling subsides, the heavier impurities, known as mud, begin to settle at the bottom of the The concentrated syrup now overflows, ready for the final stages of crystallization and drying.
The hydraulic filter press engages, compressing the mud cake. This efficient process forces the filter press efficiently separates the remaining solids from the sugarcane extract. The resultant Grundapafindens. Evaporation is a key stage. Here, the sugarcane syrup is boiled in a sequence of Bagasse. The clear juice now enters the first evaporator, beginning the multi-stage heating process. Here, water boils off as vapor, leaving a concentrated sugar solution ready for the crystallization phase. Utilizing process engineering world evaporators, the clarified juice is boiled, increasing the concentration. Utilizing advanced process engineering world technology, the vacuum system processes the sugarcane extract system. Here we see the final product.
Here we see the critical crystallization stage, where the concentrated syrup is carefully boiled under vacuum.
The automated systems ensure the massacrete reaches optimal thickness. This heavy flow is carefully
The centrifuge begins its cycle, spinning the massacrete at high velocity to separate the sugar crystals from
The massacrete, a mixture of crystals and molasses, is loaded into the centrifuge for the critical separation phase.
Here at the dispatch center, pallets are carefully loaded onto Process Engineering World trucks.
Steam pressure is holding steady. Check the output variance on panel 3.